JavaScript provides a powerful feature to count the number of characters in a string effortlessly. It's the length property of strings and it can be incredibly handy when working with text. Let's dive into it. Now, to find the length of a string, you can use the length property and it's like magic for counting characters. In this example, we have a string JavaScript and we get its length using word.length. It gives us the count which is 10 character. The length property isn't just for the classroom. It shines in real world scenarios too. Imagine you are running a blog and you want to make sure each comment isn't too lengthy. The length property allows you to effortlessly check how many characters are in a user comment. This way, you can maintain a character limit, ensuring concise and engaging discussions. Now, this example takes user input in the form of a comment and check if the comment's length exceeds a specified character limit. This lines create a variable named user comment and uses a prompt function to display a dialog box where user can enter text. The text entered by the user is stored in this user comment variable, and then here we have another variable named max comment length and set to 100. This variable represents the character limit allowed for comments. And then we use here if else statement, and this is a conditional statement. It checks if the length of the user comment is greater than the max comment length, which is 100 in this case. Now if the user's comment exceeds the character limit, the code inside of this if block is executed and it shows an alert message to the user indicating that their comment has exceeded 100 characters. If the user comment is within 100 character, the code inside of this else block is executed and it logs a message to the console letting the user know that their comment is within character limit. Now if I refresh my window, you can see this dialog box. Now here I am pasting some text to check this functionality is working or not. Now let's see what happens when a user put comment more than our specified character, which is 100. Now if I paste text here and press OK, user will see this dialog box that your comment exceeds 100 characters. And now let's check the other situation, which is when the user uses character less than 100 character. Now if a user comment like this is a good block. Now if I press OK, you can see this line of code is now executed and it is saying your comment has 100 characters. In summary, this takes user input and checks its length and provides feedback to the user based on whether the comment is within the specified character limit or if it exceeds the limit. And if it exceeds the limit, the user receives an alert message. And if it does not, the message is logged to the console. And there you have it. JavaScript's length property is trusty companion for counting characters. Whether it's for managing block comments length or checking input limits, it's a simple yet a powerful tool. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting web development tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.